Hello guys, welcome you all to Sunya IAS. We have come up with Ruthless Rapid Revision Program for your current affairs for Civil Services Examination Prelims 2023. Guys, I know you all have been working really hard for your prelims examination which is about to come. You would all have studied current affairs from various sources, from crash course of Sunya IAS even, read different kinds of magazines because you all know how important current affairs is for this prelims examination. In your exam, you'll get more than 25 questions, approximately 25 to 35 questions even from current affairs. Class, we cannot leave this area unrevised. Therefore, we have brought up the program of Ruthless. The program is ruthless in its coverage. We have been covering the entire 1.5 years of current affairs that is relevant for this examination, starting from January 2022 to March 2023. It is rapid in terms of its completion. In 25 hours of time, in 5 days, you will be able to get a grip over 25 plus questions. And this is not just a revision program. Students, I have been listening. Many aspirants get stuck into the 60 to 70 marks score, 60 to 70 marks score. This program has been specifically designed for those students who get stuck into the zone of 60 to 70 marks, to give fillip to their preparation, to get that extra edge to clear the prelims examination. So this course of RRR, Ruthless Rapid Revision Program, is for the new students, new aspirants, the freshers who are going for the first attempt or second attempt, and even for those students who have read a lot of information but not able to clear the prelims and stuck here, even in their 5th and 6th attempts. So guys, Sunya IAS has already completed its crash course for prelims in online and offline mode both. Now this program will help you in effective revision, power pack revision. We have also been providing some MANTHAN magazine for current affairs, and as per the toppers recommendations too, this is one of the best magazines to cover the current affairs with facts and analysis with precise information. Let us understand how this program is different, what different we are going to do into it. First of all, this module of 5 days has been meticulously designed for you with a very well organized order of learning. Class, for the preparation of the material, it has been thoroughly organized. You can see here, month-wise current affairs has been taken from various sources. This is an example of environment. Classification of month-wise and topic-wise segregation has been done. Then after that, while teaching also, few topics are clubbed together. For example, when we are studying about UNEP, you will understand everything related to UNEP. Okay? If you are studying government schemes, for example, Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, a component of conditional cash transfer works with Pradhan Mantri Janani Suraksha Yojana. That gives up to 6,000 rupees. You will understand the cross linkages of different topics over here. We will not be studying a single topic into a different silo. That is called precise revision, to the point revision. This will be our objective into it. Moreover, to make the learning, because it's not just learning, it's indicating that point into deep in your brain so that you can easily recall in the examination. So class, it is not just a rote learning or mugging up of facts. This learning is more and more immersive. Through the infographics, through these kind of PPTs, you will easily revise whatever you have learned. Let's come to the targets. We don't have components, we have targets in Ruthless Revision Program. Our target is within 5 days for 5 hours. We will get a hold over 25 questions. Class, 25 questions means what? 25 questions means 50 marks. 50 marks, and cutoff in the past 2 years we are seeing that it is below 100. Even if our target is to get 100 marks, if I take cutoff even to be 100 marks, this increases your chances to cross the boundary line by 50% at least. Increase your chance into selection of prelims by 50%. Simple calculation of probability. Therefore, in 5 days, with full speed, with full rigor, we will be covering current affairs from Jan 2022 to March 2023. 1.5 years of current affairs. And class news items we will be discussing. Along with the news items, my focus will specifically be on, even in the crash course, the focus was looking through the eyes of UPSC, getting to know which kind of question will be formed by the UPSC. Therefore, we will be solving 10 years of PYQs related to all the current affairs question in the class itself. Then what happens? UPSC questions will give you a knack, will help you develop an understanding. And that understanding must be assessed. I know you all have been giving certain test series. On the popular side, what I see from the students that they are not yet confident. They have read certain news items, some current affairs, but they are still not very confident in marking the right bubble. Therefore, for the assessment, to make you more confident into your preparation, I have covered all important questions from various test series available in the market. So this is a one-point solution. Whatever important questions from current affairs are there in the market, I have incorporated them into this RRR program. And class, you have assessed your performance. Your performance will be enriched through discussing all these questions. Moreover, in the live class, we will be solving certain MCQs. Live MCQ solving will be there, both for the online students as well as offline students. Now let's see the course schedule. We'll start our course from 24 April, Monday. On 24 April, the topic that will be covered will be polity and governance, holistic coverage of current affairs. On 25th April, economic development, budget and economic survey. On 26th April, government schemes, reports and indices, various kinds of reports and indices, including the trends. International relations, for example, G20 is very, very important. But the point is that what kind of questions will be coming? That we will be discussing in detail, different kinds of trends. 27 April, science and technology plays a very vital role. Some people belong to that background, some people don't. I'll make the job easy for both of them. Defense and health sector. Post-COVID-19 health sector, including the biology, is very important. That cannot be neglected. 28th April, environment, art and culture. So class, it will be a holistic completion of 1.5 years of current affairs in 5 days, each day 5 hours. 25 hours, you'll get a good hold over 25 questions into your prelims. And the performance of Sunya IAS has always been appreciated because we gain the trust of students. We perform, we deliver on the results. See, these were the questions. Taxation laws into your prelims examination 2022 directly. Taxation laws, credit rating agency, you found the question. Mineral accreditation technology and biorock technology, you found the question into the examination. This time again, we will be delivering on the results. So this program, Ruthless Revision Program, will be a game changer. Do you want to change the game of your prelims? Let's see you in the class.